Good morning, everyone. Today it's Monday, Ibaloy Day. It's holiday here in Baguio, but we're gonna walk and check out the sights. So we're gonna go to City Hall first, Baguio City Hall. So join me. And let's check out our beautiful Baguio City, Philippines. More blessings to all of us. Look at these beautiful plants here in Baguio. They just grow here. So as always, we're coming from Camp Allen. This is Camp Allen. We're going down. That's already City Hall. It's very near town. So later we're gonna go to Middle Quarry also. We're gonna walk. So we are already here in City Hall. It's holiday, so there is no flag ceremony. It's holiday. It's Ibaloy Day, I think. Still, we're just gonna walk. I like this park. Look, it's so really beautiful. Even if almost every day I go here, still like how it looks. We have one of the best, most beautiful parks or most beautiful city halls in the Philippines. Look. Okay, we are already here in Baguio City Hall. There's no flag ceremony today because it's holiday. Okay, so we're here in City Hall. Next stop, we will go to Burnham Park, Rose Garden, and the lake. Unfortunately, the lake, they are renovating it, so there's no lake. Burnham Lake. Let's go. this is Rizal Park. Okay, we are already here in Burnham Park. So this is the Baguio City Bike area. You can rent bikes, go-karts. So we are already here in Otex Street. We're going to Middle Quarry. We just did little boxing exercise. So let's go to Middle Quarry. Okay, we're going up Kisad Road from Burnham Park. We're gonna go to Middle Quarry. We're gonna pass by here. City Camp. We are already here. That is the famous Diplomat Hotel.